In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Bluetooth has disappeared from your Dell laptop and you can't seem to find it in the quick settings panel as well as the settings app. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result. Now in this window, you'll need to find the Bluetooth service. So simply scroll down and locate this Bluetooth support service. Double click it to open its property. Now make sure the service is running. If it's not running, make sure to click this start button to run it manually. Next, change its startup type to automatic. Now hit apply followed by OK. Now similarly repeat the same steps for this Bluetooth audio gateway service and Bluetooth user service. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if this doesn't work, head to the search menu and then type in edit power plan. Now select the first result. Now here click on power options at the top and here click on choose what the power button does. Now click on change settings link and uncheck this turn on fast startup option. So make sure to uncheck this box and then click on save changes. However, if you still face the same issue, open the settings app and go to the Windows Update tab. Here you need to check for any pending updates and then install them from here. Additionally, you need to go to this advanced options and then click on optional updates. Now here if you see any Bluetooth driver updates, simply select it and then click on download and install. Once you have installed all the updates, the Bluetooth should come back. However, if nothing else works, what you need to do is perform a hard reset. For that, shut down your Dell laptop completely. Once it is off, unplug everything including the charger, USB devices and HDMI cables. Once you have unplugged everything, simply press and hold the power button on your Dell laptop for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, simply plug the charger back in and turn on your Dell laptop. Once you do, the Bluetooth should come back and it should work as expected.